Blackjack is one of the most popular casino games in the world. It's simple to learn, fast-paced, and unlike many casino games, your decisions actually affect the outcome. In this video, you'll learn how blackjack works, the objective of the game, how a round is played, and the basic decisions you can make at the table. The goal in blackjack is simple: beat the dealer without going over 21. You do this by getting a hand value that is closer to 21 than the dealer's hand. But there's an important rule to remember. If your hand goes over 21, you bust, and you immediately lose the round. It doesn't matter what the dealer has. So blackjack is really about balancing two things: getting as close to 21 as possible without going over it. Understanding the value of the cards is the first step to learning the game. Number cards from 2 through 10 are worth their face value. Face cards, kings, queens, and jacks, are each worth 10. And the ace is special. An ace can be worth 1 or 11, depending on what benefits your hand the most. For example, an ace and a 7 can count as 8 or 18. This flexibility makes the ace one of the most powerful cards in blackjack. Now let's see how a typical round of blackjack is played. First, players place their bets. Then the dealer gives 2 cards to each player and 2 cards to themselves. Usually, the dealer has 1 card face up and 1 card face down. Players then take turns deciding what to do with their hands. Once all players have finished their turns, the dealer reveals the hidden card and plays their hand according to fixed rules. Finally, the hands are compared to determine who wins. During your turn, you have several possible actions. The most common one is hit. Hitting means taking another card to try to improve your hand. If you don't want another card, you can stand. Standing means you keep your current total and end your turn. There are also other options that appear in certain situations. You can double down, which means doubling your bet and receiving exactly 1 more card. And if your first 2 cards have the same value, you may be able to split them into 2 separate hands. These decisions are where strategy comes into play. Unlike players, the dealer does not choose what to do. The dealer must follow strict rules. Typically, the dealer must hit until reaching at least 17. Once the dealer reaches 17 or higher, they must stand. Because of these fixed rules, blackjack strategy focuses on making the best decisions based on the dealer's visible card. At the end of the round, several things can happen. If your hand is closer to 21 than the dealer's, you win. If the dealer's hand is closer to 21, you lose. If both hands have the same value, it's called a push, and your bet is returned. And if your first 2 cards equal 21, for example an ace and a 10 value card, you have a blackjack, which usually pays 3-2. While blackjack has some luck involved, there is also a mathematically optimal way to play. This is called basic strategy. Basic strategy uses charts that tell you the best move for every possible hand, based on the dealer's visible card. Following these charts helps reduce the house advantage and improves your long-term results. You can check all the charts in our dedicated guide on chippy.com. Blackjack is easy to learn, but offers plenty of strategic depth. Once you understand card values, how rounds work, and the available decisions, you're ready to start playing. And if you want to improve your results, learning basic strategy is the next step.